Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to the beach. We're gonna be with my sisters, her boyfriend, my wife, the whole shebang. And we're going to Hollywood Beach. We're gonna go have pizza and just have a great day. So we're gonna bring you along for that journey. Stay tuned and welcome back to another episode of Life with Steph. So we're at Walmart. We're getting snacks for the children. What are you guys getting?
Takis with cream cheese. So good.
Okay, I don't know about that concoction, but let me know what you think in the comments down below.
What?
They look very indecisive.
Yeah, she is.
So we got our snacks. Off to the beach now. So we were gonna leave Walmart with all our snacks, but we decided to get McDonald's. And I got a caramel macchiato, which, by the way, it tastes just like the vanilla one. Let me see yours. This one? They taste the same. I think they are just jipping us. So, whether you like vanilla or caramel, I promise you they taste exactly the same. This is the shenanigans that's going on while we're trying to pack the car and get ready to go. Chloe wants to be funny. We made it to the beach. It's not that full, and it's like cloudy but sunny. It's nice weather. And it's really not that packed for a Saturday, so I'm kind of surprised, but that's okay. That just means more room for us. If you've never been here, this is the Hollywood Boardwalk in Broward. Love coming here. It's a very family-oriented beach, and they have plenty of restaurants that you can eat. They have a Margaritaville. So if you've never been here, you should come check it out. Okay, so earlier when we were in Walmart, my sister said she wanted Takis and cream cheese. And I said, I don't know what kind of concoction that is, but I'm gonna try it. So here we are, Taki and cream cheese, which I think there's a lot of cream cheese. But let's try this, cheers. Oh my God.
It's so good.
That is so good. I thought that was gonna be so disgusting. So I died. If you couldn't tell, I died because it was too damn spicy. Well, it wasn't spicy, but like, I guess the powder, the Taki, I don't know, whatever. Point is, it's really good, so try it. Don't knock it till you try it.
People put it in jalapeno.
What?
You get a jalapeno, you stuff it with cream cheese. Yeah, it's a popper.
Oh. Well, yeah. The sun is creeping out. When we got here, as you saw, it was not very sunny. Now it is. So we're just tanning. Alright, so this is my favorite spot to eat in the Hollywood Boardwalk. They have pizza, wings, drinks. I will show you guys the menu, but I absolutely love this place. So this is their drink book, Sahara's Drinks. You gotta make your own drink, frozen drink. Got margaritas. Got shots, cocktails. They got daily drink specials. And they got beer. So this is their food menu. As you can see, they have salads. They got Greek salad, tossed salad, tuna salad, Caesar salad. We got appetizers. Pretty good pricing in my opinion. They got burgers, seafood. These are your sides, regular beverages. Here you got more frozen drinks, beer, cocktails, pizza, and then they've got like the seafood batter, basically. Mediterranean. But what we get is the Sahara Special, which basically comes with one large pizza or any topping of your choice, 30 wings, plus fries, plus a pitcher of beer or soda, and that's basically roughly about 40, 45, 50 bucks maybe. But it's really good for multiple people, and you can share for sure. And it's a lot of food, really, so that's what we always get when we come here. And we got an order of mozzarella sticks and a classic margarita. So now we wait. So this is the classic margarita that I got. I did get a small, but they do have a bigger one. I'm not sure how much this one costs, but it doesn't matter. Let's try. Tastes good. Tastes like a classic margarita.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah, we got our mozzarella sticks. How are they?
Where are they?
They just came out of the oven, so they're nice and hot. Cheers. On the other side, if you don't have a drink, pick one up. Of course, if you're old enough to drink. Cheers to us. Alright, we got our wings, our fries. So the wings come in that big bowl over there. Angie, carry the bowl. So we got 30 wings in that. And we are enjoying our food, waiting for a cheese pizza. Look at that cheese pizza. So again, you get the cheese pizza, you get the wings, you get the fries, you get the pitcher for 50 bucks. So cheers. All right, it is a wrap. We are officially leaving the beach. We enjoyed the sun, the water, the snacks, the food. We're stuffed.
Time to go home.
It's time to go home. We'll talk later.
Bye.
Bye. All right, we are finally back home, showered, if you can't tell. And we actually got here in perfect timing because when we left the beach, it started thundering and raining really, really bad.
Here too.
It's still, you can't really tell, but where we live, it's also really bad. So it's kind of just like time to take a nap, watch a movie, and chill for the rest of the night because the weather is not good. On another note, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Bye.